Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how I did the butterfly effect using alcohol ink and cling wrap. The trick to this effect is keeping one pigment completely free of any other pigments and letting it blend into the next pigment. My dominant colour will be medium magenta and rose by Brie Reese. And on the other half, I'm using turquoise and ocean green. For this effect, it's important to keep the same hues together. After wrapping my ceramic, I leave it for 16 to 24 hours, depending on the humidity and the temperature of the day. In Australia, it can be quite hot, so it can dry really quickly, but in winter, it can take longer. However long you leave it, you want to make sure that it is completely dry before you remove it, because you can lose some of the texture. I find for the best result to remove the cling wrap slowly, as it can rub off some of the stark effect and the texture. Now I'm using a mixture of alcohol ink and isopropyl. To protect and seal my finished piece, I use Karma varnish and then UV resistant clear acrylic coating by Krylon. And that's it. Thanks for watching my quick tutorial. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick creations. You can also follow me on Instagram at Julia Dover Art. Be kind to yourself and have a great day.